This product is a living proof that cheap product truly works, and I'll choose this product over Good Molecule Brightening Toner and Aqua 5.5 Liquorized Cleansing Toner, and I'll still have more money left. Hello to my skincare lovers. In today's video, I'll be making a review on Beauty Formula Brightening Vitamin C Facial Tonic. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Elo, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch yet another video from me. And if you have not joined my wonderful skincare community, I'm pleading kindly click on the red subscribe button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell because this will actually get you notified once I drop a new content. And if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. This isn't my first time of trying this beauty formula. As you can see, I have their clay mask and I got this like over a year ago and I didn't like it. So I was kind of skeptical on trying their vitamin C range, and I didn't like the color because I felt that the toner is actually orange, and as a one-time skincare formulator, I don't, and I repeat, I cannot buy any product that contains color because it can actually irritate skin. When I saw this, I was thinking, oh, I didn't like the fact that this product is orange in color, but when I got it, I realized that it is the bottle that is orange, it is just white, and it's formulated without any color in it. Let me tell you guys how I decided to add this. This is actually a facial toner, but it's called it is called facial tonic, but it's actually a toner. Let me tell you guys how it ended up in my skincare shelf. So I went to get Good Molecule Brightening Vitamin C Toner. But unfortunately, I realized that the woman didn't have it. And she promised that she's going to get it next week. And as a skincare junkie, I can't omit toner in my skincare routine. I mean, I use it during the daytime and nighttime. So I decided to go for an other option. She promised that she's going to get it next week, and the other people I've checked, I stay in Enugu. So the other skincare vendors, they were selling it for 16,500. I mean, Good Molecule for 16,500. Why the woman sells for 13,500? I can't give someone my 3,000 naira extra. So I decided to wait on the woman while I get something that I can supplement to it. And why I agreed to try this beauty formula, even though the glorious clay mask didn't give me what I like. As you can see, I barely use it. I just did not like it. I found out that it has a breakthrough ingredients, which is vitamin C. It is actively formulated with vitamin C, and vitamin C in the formulation will provide your skin its goodness, your skin needs, making it to look fresh and beautiful. And I mean, the active ingredients also include vitamin C, niacinamide, vitamin E, and allantoin. And this is one of the ingredients Good Molecule also has. And you know, Good Molecule is sold for between 13,500 to 16,500. Why I got this product for 3,500? For me, the ingredients is amazing. So the vitamin C used in the formulation is called sodium ascorbate fesolate, and this is the highest grade of vitamin C. The type of vitamin C used in this only breaks down with contact with skin, meaning it doesn't oxidize quickly. It will help to inhibit melanin on the skin, helping your skin to fight hyperpigmentation, promote collagen on your skin, and also help to provide the protection your skin needs against sun rays and pollination. The type of vitamin E used in the formulation is known as tocopherol acetate. This is the highest grade of vitamin E. You know, the benefits of vitamin E is that it helps to renew the skin, protecting the skin against pollination, and also helps the skin to fight aging. Of course, promote collagen on the skin. The niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, used in the formulation will help to visibly minimize enlarged pores, tighten the skin, and improve the appearance of the skin, diminishing fine lines, wrinkle, and promoting collagen on the skin, and also improving the radiance of the skin, fighting uneven skin tone. The allantoin, which I believe is one of the must-have ingredients in every formulation, it has moisturizing benefits and also exfoliating benefits, which will help your skin get rid of dead skin cell and improve skin turnover. It also fights aging skin and is very good for acne and irritation. So this is definitely a must-have or a breakthrough ingredient in every formulation. And as a one-time skincare formulator, I have used this product and I know the importance of it in helping to give you that radiant, beautiful skin. For me, admit this product is gentle, refreshing, lightweight toner. Like once you apply it on your skin, it penetrates so easily on your skin to keep your skin refreshed, renewed and radiant. So this is definitely a must-have in your skincare routine, and I mean it is affordable. And for those people that say, oh, cheap products doesn't work, I guess this is a living proof that it actually works, and it perfectly clarify your skin to actively moisturize and help to fight hyperpigmentation, and at the same time promote collagen on your skin that will have everyone complementing your skin tone. And I definitely recommend this for someone that is battling with hyperpigmentation and is within the budget. I have normal to dry skin and this product worked perfectly for me. I'm going to rate this between 8 over 10 to 9 over 10 because one, it is affordable, it's helping my hyperpigmentation, and of course saving money for myself. Another thing I like about this product is that I believe it's fragrance free. Probably the fragrance is derived, or the fragrance is derived from the formulation, and even if it has fragrance in it, I think it's very light. It doesn't turn off someone that doesn't like fragrance in their skincare routine. And it's one thing you should know about this product is that if you have eczema, you're broken or damaged skin, you have swelling, you have itching, please do not use this product. But if you're someone that is battling with hyperpigmentation and you want that radiant, beautiful skin, this is your guy. So it can be used in your AM treatment and your PM treatment. And typically, a daytime usage of this, how I apply mine is one, you have to start by cleansing your skin. I use my gentle cleanser during the daytime so as to minimize skin's sun sensitivity. So I apply cleanser, then I follow with my toner. How I use this particular toner as a refreshing toner, I only pour it on my hands and I dab. Once I make sure it has dried without any trace of toner, then I apply my vitamin C brightening vitamin C serum. And once it has penetrated really well into my skin, I go with my essence and my facial moisturizer. When my facial moisturizer is dry, I apply my sunscreen. And this is typically my brightening skincare routine. And believe in me, it's been working. I've received a whole lot of compliments, like people are asking, oh, your skin is so beautiful, you're beautiful, and what product are using? And I tell you, when you use this product and incorporate it, I have a standard skincare routine, you have everyone also complementing your skin tone. Have you checked my video on my how to apply your skincare product? It is very simple, and believe you me, not too much product, and it's also suitable for someone that just started their skincare routine, for beginners and advanced. This is what I do because I believe keeping your skincare routine minimal. I'm kind of that minimalistic girl when it comes to skincare. You don't need to do much, but what you need is to get that ingredients that can help you treat your skin. If it's acne, you're treating. If it's hyperpigmentation, and in one of my videos, I told you guys that if you're treating acne, focus on buying products that treat acne. Once you're done with treating your acne and then you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, probably dark spots or pigmentation caused as a result of acne, then you can get this product. But I don't believe that this product can help you to treat your acne. Then if you're asking if I experience purging means if I started having rashes, acne, it did not purge me for one day. And did it give me sunburn? It did not give me sunburn because I was wearing my sunscreen. And currently the sunscreen I'm using, unfortunately I didn't bring it out. and I don't want to be caught and joining this video. I'm using Dr. Reshaw, and it's I've come to understand my skin. My skin doesn't need products that is so expensive. Have been going overboard buying a lot of expensive products, but believe in me, Dr. Reshaw sunscreen is giving me what I like, and for the fact it doesn't leave white cast on my skin and gives me an amazing result, I'm sticking to it, and I'll be making review on this. And let me know on the comment section, have you tried this product? Have you tried any of the skincare range? Probably you will even make me to get their facial wash and lots more of their products. Please let me know on the comment section, do you enjoy this? Are you going to try this product? Have you used it? Do you know someone that have used it before? Let me know on the comment section, because I'll be down there reading all your comments. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share. Bye.